Talafalava everyone, my name is Judy Taunuu, and I am your Miss American Samoa. I'm here with the beautiful community of Baitsi, and we are gonna do a different thing that I've always wanted to do and teach everyone here in Nauru. It's something that I've always wanted to do, and here it is. Okay, everyone, ready? Ready? Hands up, ready? Mili, 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 mili. Why, mili, lama, mili. Mili. Matia, matia. Luamai, luamai. Hey, hey. Hey.
American Samoa delegation here. We have our president, Mrs. Agnes, and our designer Ken. Hello.
Thanks, Nico.
Thank you.
Welcome. This is Miss Chipopon, Miss Belau, Miss Madeline. Welcome to Nauru. Mr. DJ Noise. Noise. Hey,
Hey! Oh, wait, hold on. Judy, sorry. Oh, you want to take a picture? Hi, everyone. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Oh. Don't be shy. Nene. Muden. 1, 2, 3. Tama to, repeat it.
1, 2, 3. You're shaking. Thank you. What is this? Make it. Then 1. My name. Thank you. We'll see each other tomorrow. When? Thank you.
do a milli. Let's do a milli. Ready? Milli, 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 milli. Batia, batia. No, my. No, my. Hey, hey.
Oh!
Hey, hey.
Oh!
One, two, three.
Kayak gitu motor tamar.
One, two, three. Yep.
Thank you. You guys are so cute. Oh, the bus is here now. Thank you so much. Okay. We'll finish off. Sorry.
One, two, three. Berakam kita this side. This side. Berakam dapat kereta view. One side kita mana? Amar baby Alfie. Namo. Bawa kini mar. One, two, three.
Break. 1, 2, 3. Cukre kon. 1, 2, 3. See you tomorrow. Bye everyone. God bless.
Bye. Everyone, wait a minute. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Baitsi.
Talofa and Moemoana Yakanivana. We welcome you in Samoa and your team. It is an honor on behalf of the Nibok community to welcome you. We are your host district and it is a privilege. So unfortunately our president for the district is just at the church hall at the moment doing some final prayers. But on behalf of him and the team in the whole district, we welcome you. We would like to show our love and support for you, so we will be rooting for you throughout your journey here, and especially on the pageant night. Everything here, as you can see, is prepared by community members. So do take the time and have a look around, and I hope you enjoy your stay here. Thank you.
Okay. I believe today is for all of us here. I think she said it all. And we are so happy and it's joy to have you here. I was just being advised by my brother there to come and say a few words. And yes, I believe we're all here for her. Does that make sense? Why I love what I hear in Samoa. Samoa is not a nation. Samoa is not a country. Samoa is a family. I like that. And I think that brings all of us together. There are two things that we always know when Samoan leave Samoa to travel overseas. They take two things, his culture and his religion. I believe that we are all here. And the one thing that I believe that brings us all together is this word called love. And I think as our auntie here, our mother to many of us here, we gave you our heart. We gave you what we believe is from our heart. But I want to say this to you. I know you're here to present yourself, but I just want to say this. You are feel loved by us. When you stand up, when you present yourself, just stand up with who you are. You're Samoan, and Samoan love people. And all that, I know that you love by God, and your parents are here that to show that, and Yeah, just go out there and do the best you can. Do the best you can. Have that joy in your heart and just do the best you can. We are here to support you and we're here to clap for you. Hey, can we sing a song? Is it okay? We are Samoans, right? Yeah. Vafeta, Vafeta, Wamali Emasat, Present yourself. Stand up for Samoa. And all that. I know that you love your parents and your parents. Sama sua lauipu Vafetai Yesu Vafetai Lupu na Samoa na tu whateia le tua Koe maua le avanoa. God is giving you this opportunity not only to show who you are but to give God the glory and honor. That's what this song is all about. And may the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless your heart and everyone, the team. Whatever comes on Saturday, have the joy of the Lord. God bless you. Thank you. Okay, lover.
Okay, it's my turn. Hi. As you know, I'm wearing black and white. This is the color of this district. It's black and white. Ubenide is called. It's a constituency. It's made of full. It's Guinea, Nibok, Boe, and four of them together we make Ubenide, and we're black and white. And I've invited this young lady who represented Nauru last year. We went to Samoa. Samoa. Alexandra, come here. She wants to reach you. So today we are, and we're both wearing our colors to welcome you to our district. So welcome, and I hope so far you've enjoyed your stay. And thank you so much.
Firstly, I hope thus far your journey has been not stressful. I've been in your shoes last year. Yeah, well, as most of you may know, I was Miss Nauru up until last year. But today, I want to say I'm so proud of Samoa as well. So, all our love to you and to all the girls, and we wish you the best.
One, two, three.
Louder,
Louder. One, two, three. Go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I will love Miss Tonga. 1, 2, 3. I will love Miss Tonga. One more. I will. love Miss Tonga. One more. Hey. Cái là cái điều là gì ấy?
Ekan aro eshu.
They're tired. They must be tired. Okay, one more.
Aiwo. Ekan aro eshu. Malo.
Thank you, Amy. We are live. Tonga! 1, 2, 3. Aiwo love Miss Tonga.
Family, because they're my family now. These are my friends, and I'm here to say thank you to them. I appreciate them so much for welcoming me to their community. I appreciate them so much for everything they've done.
Still on the move, the final ring of siren, It could cry.
To come over and show them really quick. Like fresh fruit and coconuts, fruits to snack on. I don't really want to zoom in because they're like eating. I just want to go around and show them. They really gathered for me wearing uniforms. So these are my family. They're gonna adopt me. I'm gonna be there with them. Hopefully when I go back I can take some of them with me or all of them. Yes. Yes, I'll take all of them. Thank you guys. I'm not really familiar with the place, but this is like their playground. The kids have been playing all night and all day. Crying now, but it's very homey. Like everything around me, it's very familiar. It feels like I'm not away from home. I appreciate everybody so much. Thank you to the Buada community again. Thank you to all these little kids supporting me.
Thanks so much. Bye everyone. We'll try and get to another place. Thank you. Thanks Miss Palau. Beautiful. Can you dance?
Naoero moa to the people of the Pacific. I am your Miss Nauru, Rosita Rokobuli, 19 years of age. I am currently in Meneng district with the constituency of Evergreen. So with me is my tour guide to show me the area. Are we good? And then let's just go. Yeah, we'll just cut at Evergreen.
Start ne. May that can be 16 Pacific.
Oh.
So, yeah.
16 Pacific countries breaking on there.
Pacific.
So the community has prepared the Pacific, flags of the Pacific all over. So you can see on this wall as well as the one on that side.
They were locally made and painted by the Nauruan people.
Ah. So these are all locally made and painted by the local Nauruans.
Just watch your step. Ngunetang nila, specially made for you. Oh, it's a barbecue. Ngunetang nila was specially made for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this is, that right there is a little barbecue area they've created for the families to come and enjoy a good barbecue next to the beach. And over here is a seat that they prepared specifically for me and my visit today. So thank you very much, Meneng District.
Kwenta ka karon etang nila. It's back of beach. Okay, kanuni etang nila. And this is bar.
So we are currently on the beach area and they have named the beach Back Off Beach. So it sounds very intimidating, but the story behind it is so sweet. When I came earlier, they were explaining it to me that their fathers and their grandfathers used to have all the men in the community gather around the area and have a little get together. The reason why they say back off is they like to back off any bad energy. So only happiness, only good vibes. Of course, in the island style, they have the deck at the back where they would drink. And so yeah, just backing off any bad vibes. And so as you can see, this is the bar area. They have had some local decorations. These are all locally made. Oh, this is so cool. So yeah, this is the Back Off Beach Bar. Okay. Oh, so apparently these are barks from the tomato tree that they've used to shape the island. So this is Nauru's the shape of the actual island of Nauru. So this is the deck area that the Meneng community have prepared. They prepared a little meal, a huge feast actually, for me and my team. So I'm very grateful for that. Thank you, Meneng community. And they've also invited the whole of the Meneng community to come as well. So we've got family, friends, the kids, the elders, and we're just having a meal, just a normal, casual get-together. And we get a good view. It's all seaside. Fortunately, you're not here earlier. We had a nice view of the sunset and the blue ocean and the reefs. Sustainable beauty beyond the reef. So these are the 12 tribes of Nauru. And if you can tell, our Nauru star actually represents the 12 tribes. That's why it is 12 pointed. And Nauruans are very proud of our Nauruan flag colors. So you can see it all over the island. On my sash as well, wearing it with pride. So yeah, these are the 12 tribes, and I myself am from the Meneng tribe.
Stand here next to me.
So, the community have created this map of Nauru. They've used the tree bark of the tomano tree to create the shape of the island. And then we have the 14 different districts. The color codes actually signify the 5 constituencies in Nauru. And of course, as you can see, Meneng is of the Evergreen constituency. So the community as well have created a little bonfire for the youths to come and enjoy, sit around at the night have a nice bonfire. It's a nice community area. I'm really happy as well for it because it also can bring the youth together to have a nice conversation, a nice time in the evening, and it's nice because it's right next to the road and we get to see everyone. And Nauru is very small, but we hardly see people, so this is a good chance for the people to come out, enjoy the scenery as well as enjoy each other. So as you can see, the whole Meneng community, we're just having a feast right now. You're at perfect timing, so we hope you're also sitting down and enjoying a meal. So that's all from Miss Nauru and the Meneng community. Thank you all. Have a good evening. Taroam.